Like the entire rest of the PC gaming world, I've been playing some Halo Infinite level. Not gonna brag or anything, but I'm gold 4, okay? We've actually got a little care package from our friends at Microsoft that is supposed to be some kind of Halo Infinite themed something. Now, I'm gonna confess, I haven't actually played a Halo game since Halo 1. So hopefully these are really, really old references. Is Cortana like alive still? Colton, come on, help me out. You're supposed to be a gamer. You don't play Halo? Okay. All right, so we got UNSC, unlock, classified. Wow, this is all kinds of fun here. Oh, well, surely this seal could never be broken and redone. It's top secret, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, look at all this swag. Welcome, Spartan. United Nations Space, blah, 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 blah. Please examine and secure your personalized mission equipment, high clearance ID badge. Is this sponsored by Microsoft or no? Okay, no, we're just hanging out, we're just doing a thing. Ooh, this is cool. 1227, what a missed opportunity. And you call yourselves gamers. All right, let's get this thing opened up. There we go. Ooh, seems like I'm probably supposed to open these up in order. So I'm gonna start with door number 1. What do we got here? Oh, nice, a copy of Halo Infinite. Wait, isn't it free? Oh, hey, I got a code for the campaign. Heck yeah, all right, that saves me some trouble. And it's a good thing I didn't buy an Elite Series 2 controller during Black Friday like I was going to, because apparently I just got one. Hey, thanks, Microsoft. That's not Squid Game. Okay, not every jacket with a number on it is Squid Game, David. You know what? I'll wear it. I'll wear the shell. Oh, this is not gonna be good for audio, is it? Got my convenient little pouch. This really takes me back to grade 2. Remember starter jackets? Anyone? Starter jackets? San Jose Sharks starter jacket they had, right? I like that. Yeah, all right, this takes me way back. Okay. Behind door number 2. Ow. Okay. This must be the Elite Series 2 controller. Holy smokes, this thing is heavy. Oh wait, no, some of the weight seems to be other things in here. What's going, oh, the little foam. I have never actually been hands-on with an Elite Series 2. So I'm just used to my regular Elite controller with its little foam doodad-a-majig. But this is like a little charging cradle. Okay, that's pretty cool. Braided cable, got some nice color matching thumbstick replacements. This is a long cable. Actually like it. I'm not gonna need that for now though. I actually prefer the regular D-pad, so I'm gonna swap that out real quick. Of course, one of the coolest features of the Elite controllers is they've got these back buttons like we had on third-party controllers for a lot of years, but now you can get on first-party controllers. Man, this thing is heavy. This is a really cool controller. I have to confess, even though I've heard the pro move is to play Halo Infinite with a controller, I've been going keyboard and mouse up until now. So I'm about to have my very first Halo Infinite with a controller gaming experience here, I think. One thing I missed, this is a fun feature. I remember this from my old NVIDIA Shield console. They've got a little pass-through so you can still charge up your controller when it's inside of its carrying case. Ooh. Now that's pretty cool. Hey David, do we have our old Master Chef helmet somewhere? Hold on, it makes noise. Hey, there it is, okay. So is this the same as this one?
It looks really close. No, it's different.
It's different. It is different, we got a new one. Obviously, I'm gonna have to try it on. Boy, am I ever having a bad hair day. How do I look? So it looks like it's got a little, what are these called? Photovoltaic cell or something like that. So when you take the helmet off, I think it makes noise. Let's play some Halo. Okay, so what just happened? Do I have to download it? You didn't download it, Colton! You did not! If I don't play with this helmet on, then I'm not doing it right. Screw it, we're gonna play some multiplayer while we, can we play multiplayer while we wait for that? Okay, so what is this? Big Team Battle is like what? What game mode is it? Like, is it capture the flag?
I think it changes.
Oh no, don't run me over! Don't run me over! I really am not a controller player. David, how do I get an award? Oh, I threw a grenade again. That was terrible. I have no idea where we're supposed to go or what we're trying to do. Also, I'm wearing this helmet. I mean, come on. Go easy on me, all right? You think I should take the helmet off? Oh my God, recoil. Cannot control recoil with sticks. Why are there dead zones? Why are there dead zones when you're playing a competitive shooter? The campaign is not done downloading, so hey, what the hey, why don't you subscribe on Floatplane where I upload VODs of my game streams. Maybe I'll play some Halo campaign. Probably not with the controller. I think it would be best if I go back to the keyboard and mouse, but I'll see y'all over there.